It's a new day and a new week. Don't let the past steal your present. Whatever happened last week, happened. The opportunities you missed, the calls you didn't make, the chances you didn't take, the setbacks you experienced, they don't get to decide what happens next. You do. Every new week gives you something incredibly valuable, another opportunity to reset, refocus, and move forward. And sometimes, changing your future doesn't require changing everything overnight. Sometimes it starts with one decision. The decision to stop settling for an income that has a ceiling. The decision to stop depending on someone else to determine what your time is worth. The decision to build something of your own, something that can continue paying you month after month and year after year. That's what we're building at TruPowur. We help businesses and consumers reduce one of the expenses they already have to pay every single month: energy. And when you help a customer make a smarter decision about something they're already buying anyway, you have the opportunity to earn ongoing residual income from the energy they continue to use. Think about that. You're not asking people to buy something they don't need. You're helping them potentially save money on something they're already paying for. And as you continue helping more customers, those residual commissions have the potential to compound. One customer becomes 10, 10 become 100, and over time you're not simply earning another commission, you're building a book of business. That's how you begin creating something bigger than a paycheck. Something that can grow, something that can compound, something that can change what your financial future looks like. But none of it happens by looking backward. Your past can teach you, but it doesn't have to define you. Today is a new day. This is a new week. And maybe this is the week you finally decide to build the future you've been talking about. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.